Friends to Dynamics tutorials, and in this Photoshop tutorial I am gonna show you how blending modes work in Photoshop. Have you ever wondered why some images look so perfect after Photoshop manipulations? And how you can get rid of easily only the black and white portion of the image? So here's the solution: blending modes. One of the fastest ways to get amazing looking images is by using blending modes. In Photoshop, there are more than 25 blending modes. But these blending modes are divided into portions: normal, darken, lighten, contrast, comparative, and color. So what normal mode do is, it's do nothing called as blending. It's just affect the opacity of the image. Next is darken, that result in darkens the image. And in lighten, the portion that is visible is only the white or brightest part of the image. Moving to the contrast, it works with 50% gray visibility and 50% gray invisibility mode. In comparative portion, you can see the difference between in the lower image and in the upper image. With blending modes like colors, you can differentiate the color qualities of two images. So now let's get straight into the video. So here I have opened too many images just to show you a reference how different blending modes works. So it's a background layer here, so we are setting it on the normal blending mode. Moving to the next layer, it's a too complex image. From this image I just want a lighter part, or we can say I just want the yellow portion of the image. So how to choose a blending mode? First you have to set your mind what you have to change in this image. So simply I just want to change its contrast so that the blue portion or the darkened portion will be invisible. I'm gonna choose soft light or overlay here as per the requirement. Moving to the next layer, it's a different color. It's neither orange, red or yellow. So it's a different frequency here. So I will simply choose a mode which will transform the image's color into a whole different shade. So I'm gonna choose from the comparative portion, which is difference, exclusion, subtract or divide. So by choosing divide, you can see here, if you open a color balance layer, so you would notice if we compare two images, or if we invert an image which is in blue shade, it will convert it into a red one or a yellow one. So that's why I'm choosing a comparative blending mode, which is divide. Maybe it's too complex for the beginner, but as the time increases or you will practice it more, your mind will eventually know this. Moving to a black and white layer. So in this image, by choosing a blending mode, I only want the darker or the black portion. So I am gonna choose a mode which is from the darker panel. So you have to remember that in the darker panel, the mode you will choose, it will invisible the white portion, and the black portion or the darkened portion is the only one which is visible in the image. So I am choosing multiply here. Moving ahead to the next layer, I have an image where I want to hide the black portion and I only want to reveal the white one. So what we will do is, we will choose this from the lighter panel. Here what this mode do is, it will make the darker portion opacity 0, so that the lighter portion is the one which is visible here. Maybe blending modes are too complex for a beginner. So what you can do is practice a lot in the blending mode with so many different images. After that you will understand it better. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like this video and also smash the subscribe button.